Today, we're jumping into two wild, new ways to code with AI, vibe coding and spec coding. Ready? Let's get into it.
Okay, so what if coding wasn't about memorizing weird symbols, but just talking to your computer?
Well, that's not sci-fi anymore. We're moving from writing strict code to just describing what we want. AI expert Andrej Karpathy put it perfectly. The hottest new programming language is just plain English. And this whole idea of just talking to the AI gave birth to something called vibe coding. So instead of writing code line by line, you're basically the creative director, guiding an AI. You just describe the vibe you're going for, and boom, the AI handles the actual code. Yeah, it's kind of like freestyle rapping versus writing down lyrics. It's all about speed and creativity. This is awesome because it totally lowers the barrier. Anyone can start building stuff fast. But there's a catch. All that speed can lead to some really messy code or technical debt. Yeah, that code can get super tangled to have security holes and be a nightmare to fix later. So, to clean up that potential chaos, a more organized, AI-supercharged method came along. The idea is super simple, really. You design a solid blueprint before the AI starts building. And that's spec coding. You write a detailed plan, the spec, and the AI follows it to the letter. This whole process makes sure the final product is solid, secure, and exactly what you planned. All right, showdown time. How do vibe and spec coding actually compare? Let's break it down. So, vibe coding is all about that creative rush. Spec coding? It's about structure and sanity. The biggest difference is the AI's job. Is it your creative jam session partner or a disciplined builder? Think of it this way. Vibe coding is like a creative loop, while spec coding is a structured pyramid. But here's the thing. They're not enemies. You can actually vibe code your first draft of a spec. Now, this isn't just some passing trend. This is fundamentally changing the entire tech industry. Get this. A quarter of top startups are already building most of their code with AI's help. So what's that mean? Well, more people can create software, and the developer's job is changing fast. Yup. Developers are becoming less like typists and more like architects, designing the big picture. So the new must-have skills are strategic thinking and knowing how to talk to an AI. Okay, so why should you in grade 10 care about any of this? Because your future is in here. Pretty soon, your ability to clearly explain an idea will be just as important as knowing how to code it. It's a huge shift, right? It's not just about building anymore. It's about directing the AI. This is awesome because it opens up tech to way more people, not just hardcore coders. So here's the final thought. If an AI can build anything you can describe, what will you create?